Welcome to this presentation of Eazybot. My name is Crypto Guy Casey, and I'll be your presenter for today. Now, if you've been looking for a way to make real and sustainable profits in the crypto markets, if you're tired of all the crypto scams, the rug pulls, and the Ponzi schemes, if you want to keep control of your money and earn legitimate passive income from real-world trading, then this presentation is worth you sticking with it all the way to the end. Today, we're going to dive into how we are earning Bitcoin on autopilot. We're going to go into the previous results of this trading bot and dive into the huge income potential that we have over the next few years. And we're going to go into why the timing couldn't be any more perfect for you to get involved. So let's dive into this right now. Please pause the video and read our disclaimer. We are not financial advisors. The profit potential examples are to illustrate what's possible and not a guarantee of future earnings. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision. All right, everybody. So unless you've been living under a rock, you'll probably agree that crypto adoption is already here. A few months ago, we saw a huge push from the largest hedge funds in the world like BlackRock and Fidelity for the SEC to approve the Bitcoin ETFs. So basically what this means is now there is a legal pathway for these companies to invest people's 401ks into Bitcoin, meaning that trillions of dollars will flood into Bitcoin over the next few years. So crypto adoption isn't coming, it's already here. And we here at Eazybot have an incredible way to capitalize on it and outperform traditional Bitcoin investing. Introducing our Bitcoin growth bot. So with Eazybot, we have the ability to grow our Bitcoin holdings 100% passively with every closed trade. Now, this is incredibly powerful when we factor in the ROI of Bitcoin over the last 14 months and the timing of the markets, which we're about to get into. Everything is lining up perfectly to have a huge price explosion, so you couldn't be watching this presentation at a better time. Now, some of you may wonder if this is the best time to get into Bitcoin, or has the opportunity already passed? Well, in this example, you can see that when gold went from people only being able to invest into it physically to a digital investing option with the gold ETF approval, it allowed everyday people to easily invest into gold, and the price had massive move up in value after that point. So right here and right now is where we're at when it comes to Bitcoin. Up to this point, just like the example of gold, Bitcoin has been harder for people to invest in, and it took a learning curve that the average person understandably didn't want to tackle. So up to this point, only about 4% of the world's population has been involved with cryptocurrency. So imagine, now since Bitcoin is easily accessible to the masses, where will Bitcoin be in the next 10 to 20 years? You see, we're sitting at that white line on the bottom, everybody. I believe this is the last time we will see Bitcoin at these prices. So here's your opportunity to ride this huge wave and to start to make moves towards your financial freedom. Again, when we look at timing the markets, we have to look at halvings. Now, the history of halvings point towards another massive explosion in Bitcoin's price. You see, Bitcoin price is all about supply and demand. So with every halving, mining or creating new Bitcoin becomes twice as hard to create. So with less supply and more demand, Bitcoin's price will continue to rise. With the last halving returning a 750% gain and over a 1,300% return the halving before that, we're confident that we'll see another incredible move over the next 2 years. So hopefully you can see that your timing is actually perfect. So let's dive into how our trading bot works and how you can maximize returns with our Bitcoin growth bot.
Welcome to the future of cryptocurrency trading, where technology meets opportunity and where your Bitcoin isn't just stored, but actively grown. Introducing the Eazybot Bitcoin Growth Bot. Hey crypto enthusiast, do you believe in the future of Bitcoin, but feel overwhelmed by the complex world of crypto and trading? You're not alone. And that's why we created the Eazybot Bitcoin Growth Bot, the perfect solution for both beginners and seasoned traders looking to securely grow their Bitcoin holdings. Now, Bitcoin has revolutionized the way we think about money. It's digital, decentralized, and has the potential to grow significantly over time. But why settle for potential when you can actively grow your Bitcoin with Eazybot? Experts predict continued adoption and price appreciation, making Bitcoin a valuable asset for long-term wealth building. Now, navigating the volatile crypto market can be daunting, and that's where Eazybot comes in. Our proven strategy is designed for a consistent profit, even in down markets. Unlike other platforms where you have to send your funds to an often unknown third party, with Eazybot, your funds remain safely in your control. Eazybot automates the trading process, saving you time and stress. With the Bitcoin Growth Bot, we've applied the Eazybot strategy specifically to grow your Bitcoin. This means you'll earn profit in Bitcoin, automatically increasing the overall value of your Bitcoin holdings. And by trading both Bitcoin and Ethereum, you minimize risk while maximizing long-term growth potential. Let's take a look at a real account example. This Bitcoin growth bot was started on the 15th of September 2023. At that time, the price of Bitcoin was just under $27,000. Over the next 5 months, the price of Bitcoin would increase by over 88%, nearing $50,000. Exciting! If you were holding Bitcoin in a wallet during this time, you'd probably feel pretty happy about this growth. But if you want to see something even more exciting and more profitable, I want you to pay close attention. During that same time, from the middle of September to the middle of February, the Bitcoin growth bot increased the Bitcoin value by more than 104%, an additional $4,000. Even better, whether Bitcoin is going up or down, when you trade with the Eazybot Bitcoin growth bot, you earn more Bitcoin. Stop feeling overwhelmed and start growing your Bitcoin with confidence. Launch your Eazybot Bitcoin growth bot today and turn your Bitcoin into more Bitcoin. Remember, the earlier you start, the more Bitcoin you'll accumulate. Take control of your crypto future with Eazybot. Happy trading.
Okay, awesome. I absolutely love that video. So, why is Eazybot a cut above the rest when it comes to creating legitimate passive income for their members? Well, there's a few things that separate ourselves from everything else out there. The first thing is you have 100% control of your money. And this is important. We don't hand our money over to some third-party platform and hope they don't run away with our funds. We keep our funds in our own exchange and have access to our capital at all times. The second thing is that Eazybot is designed to close profitable trades only. So we're currently sitting at over 5 million profitable trades closed for our members with a 99.7% win rate. Now, this all can be verified because every trade taken happens on our own exchange, and we can easily go into our trade history and verify what's happening with our own portfolio. The third thing is we can sustain a 90% drop in the market and still turn a profit. Now, I've personally experienced this on my own trading account, and I've had people in my community experience this as well. It's absolutely phenomenal to see these types of results. Because the reality is this: my dog could make money in the markets when the price of crypto is going up. It's really not very impressive. You buy and you hold and you wait until the market goes up and you sell and profit. We see fake trading platforms and other trading bots come out of the woodwork when the markets are moving up. But when the markets start to drop 30, 60, 90% down, they all disappear because none of them have the incredible trading strategy we have. So the power and long-term profitability in the markets is the ability to not only make money when the markets are going up, but also when the markets are going down. And we have a 2-year verifiable track record of profiting in some of the worst market conditions. This gives us an edge over the markets that few people have. With everything we've covered so far, I'm sure you're wondering, well, how has Eazybot performed over the last 2 years? This is an account that corporate set up on May 19th of 2022 with $1,000 in each coin. They did this so that we could have a reference point on what's possible with Eazybot. Now, as you can see, the overall performance for this portfolio is 79.22% in just under 2 years. That works out to be an annual ROI of 39.61%. While this is no guarantee of future earnings, you can see the potential is there to do extremely well. Now, keep in mind that markets were down through all of 2022 and the majority of 2023. This number also does not include profits from our Bitcoin growth bot. Taking all that into account, we've still outperformed every traditional investment vehicle and the top hedge funds up to this point. Now, when we factor in what Bitcoin has done over the past 14 months, this drastically changes our potential for major returns. You see, what most people don't realize is that Bitcoin has been the top performing asset for 8 of the past 11 years. So the start of the uptrending markets was in January of 2023. Since then, we've seen a 305% price increase as of this recording. So over 14 months, that breaks down to a monthly ROI of 21.78%. Now imagine what's possible when we add in our Bitcoin growth bot that has the ability to outperform just buying and holding Bitcoin. So keep these numbers in mind as we go into the discussion of compounding returns. With every profitable trade closed, Eazybot is compounding every trade for maximum profit potential. This means that with every trade taken, there's a little bit more put into the next trade. This is incredibly powerful over a long-term period. Albert Einstein said that compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. So let's dive into some of these numbers and see what's possible. All right, everybody. So let's dive into some of these numbers, what's possible. So we're just going to start with a $5,000 starting balance as an example. Now, if we come down here to the annual rate of return, on average, the S&P 500 and most hedge funds do about 12% return on investment per year over a 10-year period. You can see here, this is nothing to get overly excited about. But what's amazing, if you reflect back on the numbers that we've already covered, Eazybot, the first 2 years, has averaged an annual return of 36% in a mostly downtrending market. So right there, you can see in a 10-year period, the growth potential is just massively different. And then what we like to talk about is just like how you would treat your 401k, where you would contribute to that 401k, weekly or every time you get a paycheck, can you deposit $50 into it? Well, the same is here with Eazybot. We teach, can you do, $50 a week? Can you do a couple $100 monthly here? And look at that massive difference in growth over a 10-year period, you guys. So you're talking, a few $1,000s contributed over the next 10 years to yourself can have a massive impact on your life. Now, then when we start to talk about, how much time are you willing to give it to work for you to compound and grow over time? Can you give it 15 years? I mean, look at the difference there. Right now, guys, obviously these are not guarantees, but this shows you the potential of what is possible with $5,000 started and then contributing a monthly contribution of whatever you can comfortably afford and stick with. The potential is just incredible. So when we also, and then you may say, well, I don't want to wait, 15 years to become, financially free and independent. So the question becomes, can you move up either your monthly contribution to a different amount, or are you able to start with a little bit more in the beginning there? So I'll leave this calculator below this video so you can run some of your own numbers to see what's possible. But remember, this 36% is on a mostly downtrending market. We know and we've seen considerably higher returns in months since we've been starting to go into this bull market, this uptrend. We've seen incredible weeks, quite honestly. So the potential for higher returns is here, but we want to show you, the lower case scenario so that you can have an idea of how to plan for your future. Now let's talk about the Bitcoin, our Bitcoin growth bot, and what is possible. So Cathie Woods is the CEO of ARK Invest. She's very bullish on Bitcoin, makes some pretty strong predictions, but she is not the only one. So when we're looking, and let's just play out this scenario, when we're looking at buying and holding Bitcoin, what's possible? So Cathie Woods is calling $1.5 million by 2030. So that's 6 years from now, less than 6 years. What kind of potential could we have? So if we run the numbers on this, and let's just play this out, let's say she's right and this plays out. Well, it coming in and having your money, let's say 70,000 Bitcoins at 70,000 when you get involved, that is still over a 21x return, price difference, excuse me. for it to get up to $1.5 million. So if we use that same example of that 5,000 that we started with into Bitcoin times 20, times 21x there, we're looking at 105,000 potential in less than 6 years. And again, remember, this is just the potential of Bitcoin, just buying and holding. So you can see there, guys, that just that alone shows, an example of what's possible and why getting into Bitcoin and really getting into this markets, it's not too late. We have an incredible growth potential here. Now, if we factor in what's possible with Eazybot, now from back testing with the Bitcoin growth bot, again, we can't make guarantees. We don't know for sure. We have to let this all play out. But the hopes is the Bitcoin growth bot that we have with Eazybot is going to 3 to 6 times our Bitcoin holding over the next few years. So if we play that out, if this scenario plays out, not only would we have 105,000, we could hopefully 3 times that amount using the Bitcoin growth bot. So the question is, do you want to just buy and hold and potentially have that 105,000? You're going to do great. You're going to love those returns, but you can see the power with Eazybot to be able to 3 to potentially 5x on top of that incredible growth is just huge, guys. So I'll also leave this article down there, and you can also go and Google and do your own research on Bitcoin price prediction. Everyone is very bullish on it because everything that we've covered today, hopefully you can see in between the Bitcoin ETF approval, like we've talked about, the Bitcoin halving, the timing, you're in an incredible spot right now to get involved and to ride this just incredible wave with us here with Eazybot. So hopefully you've seen that there is so much that Eazybot offers. Me and my community, this has been a no-brainer to be involved with Eazybot. The ability to have stress-free trading, being able to sleep at night knowing you're making a profit is incredible. Consistent profitable returns when we're reflecting back on that historical 99.7% win rate up to the point of this recording is absolutely incredible. Being able to profit during not only an uptrending market, but a downtrending market, and handling 90% drops in the market is unheard of in the automated crypto trading space. Being able to compound your returns, hopefully you saw that the numbers that we just ran show you the potential for incredible earnings over the next 5, 10, 15 years. Being able to withdraw your profits at any time is more than I can express important. We don't have to worry about a withdraw button. We're not handing our money over to a third party, hitting that withdraw button and hoping that they actually give us our trading profits or we get our funds back. We have complete control of our funds here. We can sell our crypto and move that to our bank account in less than 10 minutes. So being able to have access to your funds is absolutely important. It's a necessity for long-term investing success. No experience needed is so important. We can bring people in. They can have a great experience from the moment they get in, even if they've never taken a trade, bought or sold crypto, they can be profitable here with Eazybot. Once you've had some success with this product, once you've seen profitable returns, and once you've learned how this bot actually trades, And as you become to realize how sustainable this project is, and that this project and this product is designed for long-term success, it's going to become natural for you to want to share it with others. Now, I want to be clear that referring others is not required, but it may become something that you just can't help but share. When you start to see success in your own trading accounts, it becomes natural to want to share that with others. So in the coming weeks, I'll be doing an affiliate overview as well. In that video, I'll share how Eazybot has the most powerful pay plan out there for their affiliates, and how you can use the power of the trading itself to light a fire under your affiliate earnings. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching my presentation of Eazybot. Below is a sign up link. You can get a 45-day free trial to test Eazybot yourself. I've also put the compound calculator and a few articles on Bitcoin news and price prediction below. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.